Okay, my crafty friends, this is Lori, Girl on the Ridge. I am back. The princess is sleeping, and I had to get the ink off her face. Boy, she's quick. Okay, so this is my design team kit from Esme's shop, Crafty Me shop. I will link everything below, and I can't wait. I think I showed... Oh God, look at that. It's got a little hint of silver in there. It is just absolutely gorgeous. What I'm going to do next is, and I see that, whoa. I love how she says yellow. Whoa. Ooh, there's another little, ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to take some of these, I'm not sure exactly which ones, and really, look at that crown, oh my God. Another piece of bling. And really coffee dye them, and actually I started earlier to make a really grungy, lacy, I'm going to try that. I even rubbed cinnamon on some of the laces. Because I really I love that grungy look. I love the shabby, and then I always go back to grungy. So look at, oh my God. I'm really going to have to fold all this. Look at that. Oh. See, now some of these will be really... So I can rub the cinnamon right on it, and the cinnamon gives it a really, it smells nice, and it gives it a nice, really, really grungy look. Paper, it works. I did some with paper a little while ago, and it just doesn't stick that well. I mean, it came out pretty good if I made a paste of it and rubbed it in there and let it dry and rubbed it some more. It's a process, like everything. Oh. Esme, just beautiful. Actually, I just have her sale tonight. And that. Another little pink flower. Oh my God, this has, oh, this is so soft. You can just tell the quality of the laces. Some of them are so soft and drapey. This got silver on the bottom. I really am tempted to take some of these laces and start decorating for Christmas. What the heck? What else could go wrong this year? Might as well start now. And then these flowers, these I have. I love these. I love cutting these separate. And then you can cut them separate. And then just kind of, I like to layer them. You can kind of actually make a bigger flower. There's a lot you could do with that. Those are really cool. Another pink flower. And, oh my God, this. Look at that. It's just so dainty and soft. Man, I've never seen such a collection of laces. She gets these little flowers, little tiny flowers. God, I just love to be surrounded by all this stuff. And more of this iridescent. It's got an iridescent shine to it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then, ooh, this is new. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Look, it looks like a collar. Oh my God. With a cameo right there. That is beautiful. Then these are my favorites. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, this is all one. Holy cow. Look at that. It is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. You could cut this. There's a lot of different ways to cut them. So when you go to her sales, like I said, she's got a Facebook page, and you join the Facebook page, and she has sales mostly on Fridays. When you look at a piece, there's just a lot of ways that you can use it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's probably at least over 10 appliques you can get out of this. If not more. Probably more. Especially with all these long things. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And then another little pink flower. And then that pretty applique. And even something like this. You have 1, 2, 3, at least 4. That you can do 4 projects out of this. That you can put on them. Very beautiful. Okay, so this was done in 2 parts. And I could not. Juliana loves seeing her her hands and hearing herself on the big screen TV when I download it to YouTube. So it's just gonna be 2-parter. So these are so pretty. Look at that. Let them just shine. Alrighty, guys. So that is it for today. It's all the energy I have left. Yeah. Oh God, these are so pretty. Look at that. This is super long. Beautiful, beautiful. And this one, this is, I think, this is where I was ending. Look at that. That would be a beautiful beach. A beach journal. Alrighty. So now I got to get it all back in the box. So we will see you guys later. Bye.